name is Janelle. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, join the fam. Okay. And if you're not new and you're coming back, you know what to do. Okay. Today's video, I'm gonna be lightening my armpits. Okay. You know, they look a little dark. Okay. Black like a tile. They look a little dark. So I found this, is it a recipe, a concoction, a mixture, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I found it here on YouTube. I have done one in the past, but it was doing too much, and I am a person that likes instant gratification. Okay, I need stuff to work like now, like yesterday. So this particular method, okay, is supposed to lighten your armpits within 3 days. Yes, I said that right. 3 days. Okay. I will leave the video that I saw in my description box. I believe her name is Victoria. So I'm gonna be following her mixture. I already have it mixed up here. I will also leave the ingredients either here on the screen on the side or down in the description box, or both. I'm not sure yet, but I will also link the original video down below. So I have a mixture here. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying. This seems like honestly a bit much just for my armpits. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. Let me come up a little bit closer for you. Hi, how you doing? This is what my armpits are looking like right now. Okay, as y'all can see, that's dark. Okay, she's dark. We need to fix that. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the mixture. It is like a mousse-like consistency. So you're supposed to leave this RIP shirt. You're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes. Yeah, I definitely didn't need all this for my armpits. Oh, it's ready. Listen, don't wear a shirt that you care about, because it's gonna stain it. All right, so that's good. Oh my god, it's like drip egg all over. Is it supposed to drip like that? Oh my goodness, y'all, it's just running. All right, I am going to take my bra off, but I'm gonna record it in a way where y'all can't see my titty. Hold on, I had to go ahead and get naked for y'all. There you go. So that's okay. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm so close to you guys. I love this. But I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. That's what she says, and then I'll be right back to wipe it off. Okay, so this is what it is looking like after 10 minutes. Okay, and now I have my washcloth. My wet washcloth, and I'm gonna just wipe. Did I do this armpit first? I don't remember, but we're gonna just wipe it out. Yeah, she still look dark. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm so skeptical. Like, I don't think it's gonna work. I'm hopeful, but doubtful. That does not look like it did anything to it. My armpits look the exact same. So I don't know how this is supposed to lighten over 3 days, but this is my other arm, and we're just gonna wipe. Yeah, she looks terrible. Like, that looks, yeah, that's not, no, that didn't do anything. No. This is day 1. Okay. I'll see you guys in day 2. So this is day 1, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so it is day 2, and this is what my armpit, let me come up a little bit, there we go. This is what my armpit is looking like on day 2. All right, that's one arm, so this is before. All right, this is before. So yesterday, I feel like the thing, it lightened out here, right out here. So I'm gonna try just to get it in this little area alone today, because I feel like it lightened right out here, and that's not what we're going for. So I already have my mixture ready, and I'm gonna apply it. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. So this is what she is looking like. Okay, it's been about a little bit over 10 minutes. And honestly, yo, I still feel like it looks super dark. I can see through the turmeric, and I feel like... Bruh. Bitch. Yeah, see my armpits, right? Yeah, y'all see that, right? They're still dark. Okay. Yeah, no, she's still looking dark. And no, like, well, yep, so that's day 2. Okay, armpits still looking dark. No real change. It just... Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I just know it's not gonna work. It's not. But we have one more day to go, and you still looking like that. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work. But maybe tomorrow it'll magically. Is miraculously even a word? Miraculously. Yeah, I don't think that's a word. Maybe it'll magically change. Okay, but yeah, she's still dark. Okay, maybe like over weeks and stuff. 3 days. I don't think so, but we still got one more day. I'll see you tomorrow. Day 3. Here we go. Here's our before. Here is the other armpit. Before. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna wait 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and everything, and here is what my armpit is looking like. I feel like it's, when I say slightly, I mean slightly lighter than when I first started. Like, maybe, I don't know, like, I don't know. I feel like it is, okay? Don't come for me. But right here, come a little closer. Okay, like right here, I feel like it was already lighter than the rest of it, but like I feel like it got lighter even more lighter. But like, I don't know, this looks a little bit darker. But this armpit seems like, I don't know. I'm gonna put my first day and today right next to each other. So here we go. Day 3. Bam. Still dark. Still dark. Now, I don't doubt that it worked for her in 3 days. I don't doubt that at all. I feel like it's something that she does a lot. So because maybe she like stops like for like a week or so, and so when she started doing it again, she saw results in 3 days, because it's just something, it's a process that she does all the time. So what I am going to do, what I'm planning to do, I don't know if I'm really gonna do it because lazy, but I am gonna keep it up. I'm gonna try to keep it up for up to 2 weeks and see if that works for me. But for 3 days, no, it did not work for me. I don't doubt that it worked for her, but for me, no. My armpit still looks sad, you know. Look at it. Yeah, so still dark, but I feel like it's lightening, like it's progressing slightly. It's still dark, don't get me wrong, still dark, but I feel like it's progressing. Like, oh my bad, I just hit my toe on something, but I feel like, yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll keep you guys posted on Instagram, or, you know, if I do continue with this, you know, for 2 weeks, I might just post a new video about it. I'm not sure, but yeah, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.